My name is Agnes Njoroge. I am a director in the Directorate of Quality Assurance. We deal with development of standards for education and ensuring that these standards are implemented and complied with by schools. Today we are in Naivasha. We are in a workshop where we want to develop two manuals, training manuals, where we'll be able to train the quality assurance officers as well as education officers and heads of schools and teachers on the new concept that we have come up with, that is the institution-based quality assurance.
My name is Winrose Bett. I work at Mizizi Elimu Afrika, formerly Mizizi Afrika Foundation, as the coordinator, teacher training and capacity strengthening. Mizizi is committed towards strengthening the quality of teaching and learning, and in this case we are using the evidence-based approach. We work closely with the Ministry of Education, and in particular even with the workshop that we are currently in. It is spearheaded by the quality assurance, and we've come together to ensure that what we had purposed or what we had started before comes to a success.
My name is Joseph Wambua. I work for the Ministry of Education, Directorate of Quality Assurance and Standards. And one of the key focus areas in our directorate is standards and quality in education. So we normally ensure that standards are maintained in institutions of basic education, and the learners are able to attain quality education in their various schools, despite the differences between the various schools across the country. One key focus area for us is attainment of learning outcomes by the learners. So you will find that every learning area, every subject has learning outcomes that are supposed to be attained, and even the lessons have lesson learning outcomes that are supposed to be attained. And the key focus of all the initiatives that the ministry and the partners collaboratively implement in schools, ultimately they are supposed to culminate in the learners achieving the learning outcomes and achieving the purpose for education and their goals in life.
Quality assurance has come up with a new concept, that is the institutional-based quality assurance, commonly known as IBQA. This is expected to help our schools do a self-assessment so that they are able to establish quality and standards in learning, and this is aimed at improving the learning outcomes. This workshop is supposed to bring about two manuals. One manual for training the education officers and the quality assurance officers, and one manual for training the heads of schools and the champion teachers who will be able to guide the implementation of IBQA in schools.
The country is implementing a competency-based education, which is quite different from the previous education system, which focused mostly on knowledge. Competency-based education focuses largely on skills and competencies, and that clear difference has to be able to be implemented in the classroom through different pedagogy, different utilization of various tools, resources, and so forth. So to that end, we have reviewed the National Education Quality Assurance and Standards Framework in line with the recommendations of the Presidential Working Party report, which was released in 2024. These initiatives we are coming up with, the reforms that we are implementing, the reviews of the tools that we use in basic education are all informed by the recommendations of the Working Party.
We are cognizant of the recommendations that were provided by the Presidential Working Party on education reforms. And as Mizizi, we are cognizant and we have taken the step towards ensuring that this comes to a success we are working closely with the Ministry of Education just to ensure that the activities or the work that is in that recommendations comes to a success, and that millions of our children in Kenya will be reached.
We are here supported by a partner, that is Mizizi Elimu Afrika. They've really worked with us this journey, right from the development of the documents, that is the National Education Quality Assurance Framework, the IBQA guide, and the Quality Assurance Handbook. And it is out of these books that we are coming up with a training manual, so that we are able to ensure that our officers understand the documents and they ensure that what we want implemented in our schools is being done.
We are grateful that we have partners to help us ensure that the ideals identified by the Presidential Working Party towards ensuring that the competency-based education is implemented as envisaged is taking shape.
We are really happy of the fact that we've come, and we can't wait to see the success of this journey. Thank you very much.